Toilet paper may seem simple, but it's an essential product in every household. To stand out, consider creating eco-friendly or luxury toilet paper. Many brands have found success by offering recycled, sustainable toilet paper and donating a portion of profits to charity. You can also focus on biodegradable packaging or adding essential oils for a unique scent. Look for suppliers that offer eco-friendly or bamboo-based paper mills. Sites like Alibaba or Thomasnet are great for finding bulk suppliers. Build your brand around sustainability and target consumers who are environmentally responsible. Set up an online store and market your product as sustainable and socially responsible. You can also partner with retailers focused on eco-friendly goods. Children's toys have been a staple for generations, but you can differentiate and add value by offering educational, handmade, or sustainably sourced toys. Focus on wooden toys which are safe and durable, or develop products that promote learning through play, like STEM-based toys. Look for ethical suppliers that specialize in wooden or sustainable toys. Websites like Etsy can help you connect with independent artisans, while Alibaba or global sources can link you to large-scale suppliers. To get started, develop a unique branding strategy focused on creativity, safety, and educational value. Start small with a few signature items, then expand based on customer feedback. Use social media, especially platforms like TikTok and Instagram, to showcase the uniqueness and value of your toys. Footwear has been an essential part of daily life for centuries, and the demand for functional and fashionable shoes never fades. You could add value by specializing in sustainable custom or orthopedic shoes. Think vegan leather or recycled materials for the eco-conscious crowd, or create a platform where customers can design their own shoes. Sourcing can be done through suppliers who focus on sustainable fashion or local artisans. Develop a brand that emphasizes comfort, style, or sustainability, and leverage online platforms to sell directly to consumers. Food and beverage containers are always in demand, especially with the rise of eco-friendly lifestyles. Focus on creating reusable, sustainable options like stainless steel or silicone containers. You can add value by offering collapsible designs or multifunctional uses. Find suppliers that specialize in eco-friendly products and build your brand around convenience and sustainability. Start by defining your niche market. For example, target people who are transitioning to zero-waste lifestyles. Partner with local stores or eco-conscious online platforms to distribute your products, and use social media influencers to spread the word. Textiles have been around for centuries, and there's always a demand for quality fabrics. You can add value by offering organic or customized fabrics like organic cotton or linen, or focus on unique designs that cater to fashion designers or upholstery markets. Offering bespoke services where customers can design their own prints can add value. Partner with suppliers who provide sustainable or fair trade materials. Market your products to designers, small fashion brands, or directly to consumers looking for eco-friendly or custom textiles. Build strong relationships with small fashion brands or interior designers. Offer wholesale options to increase your revenue and promote your brand as sustainable or artisanal. You can also sell directly to consumers through an e-commerce site to create a steady revenue stream. Paper products like napkins, tissues, and stationery are essential in every home and business. You can differentiate or add value by offering recycled or biodegradable options. Start with small, niche markets like restaurants or offices, and offer customization, such as branded napkins or personalized stationery. You could also create premium versions, such as extra soft tissues or napkins with unique designs. Look for suppliers focused on sustainable paper production or high-quality paper mills. Bulk platforms like Thomasnet or Uline are good places to find wholesale suppliers. Promote your brand as both high-quality and environmentally friendly. All of these evergreen businesses have one thing in common: they meet ongoing, everyday needs. By adding unique value to your products, you can carve out a niche in these timeless markets. Start small, do your research, and grow from there. Your business success is just one great idea away. Here are some general tips for getting started. Research your market. Start by thoroughly researching the market to identify gaps. Look at what existing brands are doing and focus on where they might fall short, whether it's in product design, sustainability, or price point. Start with small batches. When launching, don't go for mass production immediately. Start with small batches so you can adjust based on customer feedback before scaling up. Develop strong branding. Whether you are selling eco-friendly products or higher-end luxury goods, strong branding is key. Ensure your packaging, website, and social media presence reflect the unique value your product offers. Use online platforms. E-commerce is essential in reaching a broad audience. Use platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or your own website to sell directly to consumers. You can also consider subscription services for consumables like toilet paper or paper products. Build partnerships. For products like textiles, shoes, or food containers, forming B2B partnerships can help with distribution. Consider selling to local boutiques, grocery stores, or eco-conscious retailers. Leverage social media. Demonstrate the uniqueness of your product through engaging content on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Create tutorials, behind-the-scenes videos, or customer reviews to build trust and showcase your value. Ready to take the leap into business? Start researching your niche today and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on turning simple ideas into profitable ventures.